Ready ka bang pumasa sa civil service exam ngayong 2026? Kung naghahanap ka ng pinaka-comprehensive at updated na reviewer, ito na ang 2B Pencil for only 20 pesos per week. Ang ganda dito, bite-sized lang ang mga quizzes at exactly 10 questions each. It feels super easy to get started. Kahit nasa commute ka or may short break lang, you can easily squeeze in a quick review session anytime. Plus, pwede mong i-take ang quizzes by section. Ang laking tulong nito so you can effectively target your weakest areas. Huwag na nating sayangin ang oras sa mga questions na master mo na, 'di ba? Para hindi ka mabigla sa mismong araw ng exam, try our timed mode. It simulates the real test environment. Pagkatapos ng buong quiz, doon mo makikita ang score mo at ang detailed explanations for the questions you got wrong. Pero, kung hindi ka pa ready for that pressure, go for the untimed mode. Dito, you'll get the answer and the explanation right away after every question. Mako-correct mo agad ang understanding mo on the spot instead of going through 10 questions tapos makakalimutan mo kung bakit nga ba yun ang sinagot mo in the first place. And the best part? After finishing a quiz, pwede mo siyang i-download as a PDF. Now you can review it anywhere, anytime, kahit walang data. Let's get that eligibility. Download 2B Pencil today.